Welcome to Zeo. Let's walk through how to use your CRM data in HubSpot to create optimized routes in Zeo Route Planner. No spreadsheets, no manual copying, just seamless automation. Start by heading to the CRM tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Contacts option. Here, you have two easy ways to add contacts. First, click on Import in the top right corner. You can import a file or pull contact data directly from other CRM platforms. Just make sure that the address field is included so Zeo can use it to plan routes. There's another way. The second option is to add a contact manually. Click on Create Contact, fill in the essential details like name, then phone number, then email, and finally hit Create option. Alright, let's move on to the next step. To add an address to that contact, just open the contact profile. Once you're inside, click on Actions. From the menu that appears, select View All Properties. Now, scroll down through the list of properties or simply use the search bar at the top until you find the field labeled Street Address. Take a moment to make sure you've got the right field. It's usually grouped with other address-related details like city, state, and postal code. Once you're in the street address field, go ahead and type in the complete address. Make sure you enter it clearly. Include the building number, street name, and any other important details so the record is accurate. Great. That completes the process of adding contacts and addresses. Now let's do the same for companies. Click on Companies under the CRM tab to head to the Companies page. Again, you can either import a list of companies at the top right, or if you choose to add the company manually, there is another way. You can click Create Company option beside Import to add manually. Fill out the company details like the company domain name, company owner, industry type, city, and click Create. At the top right, you'll notice the Actions button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with a list of options. From that menu, choose View All Properties. This option lets you see every single field that can be stored for the company, not just the basics, but all the additional details as well. After that, search for the street address property, enter the location in the field, and finally hit Create. Once your contacts and companies are ready, let's jump. Once the route is created, it will automatically show up in your driver's mobile app. Go to the Stops tab. This is where all your synced CRM data appears automatically. Simply select the contacts and companies you want to include and create your route in just a few clicks. Pro tip: to create a route, make sure you've already added your drivers and stores. If not, you can find help on Zeo's FAQ page. Once the route is created, it will automatically show up in your driver's mobile app. The driver simply logs in and starts the route with everything preloaded. Stops, notes, customer info, all in place. This integration saves time, removes manual entry, and keeps your CRM and delivery teams in sync. You've now successfully created a route using HubSpot CRM objects inside Zeo Route Planner. Happy routing!